Along with other program-provided resources, a presentation is provided for every lesson. Use the Program Presentation tool to display these materials to your class. On your home screen, you can access the presentation by clicking the Presentation button and clicking Launch Presentation. You can access a presentation with the lesson it is associated with. When you have a lesson details page open, the lesson presentation is available on the right side of the screen. Click the button to open the presentation window. The Presentation tool opens in its own window in Present mode, with the first resource screen showing. Use the page arrows to move through the resource screens. Click the Quick Nav tab to display all the screens in the presentation. Click a screen icon to display it in the main window. Click the Quick Nav tab again to hide it. The tools on the side let you draw on the screen, magnify the slide, or highlight a section of the screen. In the customized version of a lesson, you can also edit the lesson presentation. To add additional resources to the presentation or modify existing resources, click the Edit button to go into Edit mode. In Edit mode, you can access any of the screens in the presentation. You can add or remove screens or rename them. On the Tools tab, you can add text, links, or hide elements of the screen with the Window Shade tool. You can add additional resources from the Edit tab. This tab displays all the resources associated with this lesson, which can be selected to add to the presentation. This concludes our guide to the Presentation tool. Be sure to view other tutorials for more information about this and other screens.